Hello everyone, my name is Nikolay. I'm CEO at MyDataProvider.com, and today I'm going to talk with you about web scraping and integration web scraping with Shopify store. Okay, let's do that step by step. You see on your screen MyDataProvider solution for web scraping and how it works. Firstly, here is my account. Each client who works with us has own account with login and password. Under account, we have campaigns. Each campaign is independent data set for scraping, and I could switch from one campaign to another. I created campaign demo, and today I'm going to show you how to use it, how to easily manage it, and you will see that it is really easy solution for scraping and for data import into Shopify store. I will show you all step by step. Okay, I created this campaign demo, and I created settings for Shein.com website. So you see, campaign has different web scrapers. Could have different web scrapers, and my campaign has one web scraper connected. And how to understand that this campaign has one web scraper? I go to web scraper section, and I have here only one active web scraper. It is Shein.com. Okay, how to manage it? How to tell web scraper to take data from specific category or specific product URLs. Today I will show you how to extract data from specific categories. It's really easy. You go to configure button. You see here I have only one selected category. It is sporty category. Here is. So here is this category at Shein.com. How to tell application web scraper to extract data from the others category. Firstly, you need to download custom grep catalog file. You click it, and text file will be downloaded. After you go to your file manager, open this file at text editor, and you see the next file for configuration for data extraction. It's really easy. This part connected with category name. For example, if I want to add new category, I add new line. I put this sign. I go to category, for example, with t-shirts. I copy category URL. I go back to file editor. It's enough. And now we have to upload this file back to application. Copy, press upload. You see, right now we have two categories, one selected, the second not. If you want to extract two, check all and save. I will leave the first one. Okay. Additionally, we could change margin. I will tell about that later. Right now I will show you how to run scraper. It's really easy. You go to export and you press run export button and wait till it will be finished. If you want to set up a schedule, you go to profile, campaigns. Here you find your campaign demo. Go to schedule, press add, and for example to run daily at 5 o'clock. So it's necessary to input data in encron format. It's really easily. Okay, and save results. How to run it? Let's press run button. You could add label for categories you want to extract, just understanding what is happening for this specific task. Each export It is independent task on the server. It has a specific ID, and data will be extracted under this ID. And we see here statuses. It will be changed. Firstly, it will be created. After that, processing. After processing, it will have status finished, as previous as this task I tested today. Okay, let's go ahead. How to connect WebScraper with Shopify. Firstly, you have your Shopify store. Under store, you have to go to apps. Apps, you see, yeah? Under apps, you have to go to manage private apps. And here you have to click on create new private app. And let's back to, and after that you have to grant. I created this app, private app, tomorrow, and you have to grant the next permissions for this new app: inventory access, product listing access, and product access. Yeah, and give for each permission read and write permissions. Okay, save it and copy API key and copy password to text file. It's really important. And how to tell WebScraper to extract data to your Shopify store. It's really easily. Let's show you. Go to export section, go to config export, and under config export you have here section for exporting to file and exporting to your CMS database. In our case, it is Shopify. You select here default, you press here download my shop file, click on it, and here you have it is text file with configuration. You have here custom parameters, and you need to specify your Shopify URL. After that, you need to specify here your key, replace with your value, and password also replace with your value. Save this file, and after that upload to the application, and at the end press save. And data will be saved, and now after that WebScraper application, MyDataProvider WebScraper application will upload products into your store. It will create new items if it understands that it's new, and it will update prices for variants or for parent product or altogether. Okay, let's check. This task, it is still in progress. Let's go to results I received yesterday and today. Okay, here is store I connected to my account, to my demo account. You see here all product section, and here is products created. It's really important to understand that if you want to make data import automatically, you need to start import data from MyDataProvider application into Shopify automatically. Why? Because MyDataProvider application creates meta fields with SKU, with references, additionally for new items, and it will be used for data update. If you want to update correctly in the future with items, you need to create these items from MyDataProvider. It's really easily. I show you how it works. Okay, what extra options do you have for data management? Firstly, you could set up merging. How to do that? You go to WebScraper section, you go to configure section, you go to change categories, change plus merging, and you could download template. And here you need to download template button. Okay, here is Excel file. You need to open this file at Excel or OpenOffice or LibreOffice. And if you want to set margin for category sporty, for example, 100%, you put here 100. If you want to add plus value, plus delta, you, for example, plus 5 USD, put here for plus 5 USD. For example, you could use it as fixed margin, yeah, for you. Okay, save data, and you could upload this file back here, and it will be applied. That's all. It's really easy. If you want to extract, for example, only not all items, but only limit list of items, for example, the first 5 items from category, you could put here 5 or 10 or 100. It's really easily. If you want to add prefix for SKU, for example, if these items from Shein, I want to add SH, and it will add prefix SH for all items from MyDataProvider, and SKU will be saved as SH. Yeah, it's really easily. You could use it and to create items at your web store automatically, and additionally in the future it will allow you to update availability, stocks levels, yeah, and prices for your items and variants. Additionally, it creates new variants and update variants. Yeah, that's all about web scraping. What I wanted to say you, maybe I forgot to tell you about API access to the application. Let me show you. Maybe it is important for somebody from you. Okay, let's go to how to manage API access. You go to campaign sections. You see your these sections at your screen. You go to configure, and here is the first step you need to do here is to create new API key for your campaign. You click and new API key will be generated. It's really important. And the most important part of this API is the next point: campaign data latest get. Here is secret URL. We could open. Let's open this secret URL or copy link address. Here is endpoint, and here is the next part is your secret key. It allows you to download the latest file from WebScraper. The latest file. What does it mean, the latest file? It means the last successful extracted data. You remember that export section contains subsection export to file, and here you could select export format. You need to export specific campaign. It could be Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, or the others. A lot of variants are supported. Shopify also is supported here as a CSV format. Here is Shopify. You could export to Shopify CSV here. And let's back to API. Yeah. And API will download the latest campaign. I talk about this endpoint. The first two allows you to create task for export through API and to tell application, our WebScraping application, what product URL to extract. This endpoint allows you to create task, and this endpoint allows you to check task status and wait till it will be finished. And this endpoint allows you to download result of specific task. You could use optional parameter task ID. Yeah. Okay, let's finalize my presentation of WebScraper and Shopify integration. I showed you how to run web scraper, how to select necessary categories, how to add margin for your prices, how to create a private application at Shopify, and I demonstrated how products will be imported into your store. Looks at it. You see product name created, pricing created, color created, sizes created. Yeah, it's really great. Images are presented here. Feature table, fill it. That's all. Thanks for being with me. I wish you all the best.